Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here today. Today I am here to share with you the November 2021 Boxycharm. Ta-da! This is my third month getting this box, guys, and I am so excited. I am excited. Like, I look forward to this box every month. I know I'm still kind of new to the unboxing game, so everything that I get is just fascinating. This is a monthly subscription box. I do pay $39.99 a month. I will link all the information down below so that you guys can go check it out for yourself. And if I have a discount code, I will also link that down below for you. They do have 3 different levels. I know they have the base box, which I want to say, I'm not even going to guess at the prices because I won't get it right. They have the base box. They have the premium, which is what we have here today. And then they have the Boxycharm Luxe, I want to say. And that is one that you get every 3 months. And it is pricier. And I know when you get that, you do not get the base box for that month. So if you want to get the base box and the Luxe box, you have to have 2 separate accounts. But that's just what I've heard from other people. Chaos Jen doesn't have the money for that. So I'm going to stick with my premium for $39.99 a month. Real quick before we get started though, guys, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, I would truly appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my content and encourages them to promote our videos so that we can continue to grow our YouTube family. Guys, our YouTube numbers are getting up there. I am so thankful to every single one of you. If you're not a member of my YouTube family, I would truly appreciate it if you would consider hitting that subscribe button down there in the corner. It's 1 click. It really helps me out and it doesn't cost you anything. I have a personal goal this year of getting to my 1,000 subscriber mark before the end of the year. So guys, please don't hesitate to hit that button. And if you know anybody else that enjoys unboxing, weight loss content, all kinds of fun stuff, and chaos, please feel free to share my video. Let's get this thing open so I can finally see what we got. Alrighty, and here is what the inside of the box looks like. It does say Boxycharm Premium. We do have a card, Boxycharm invite only, and it talks about a Boxy Beauty and it talks about a Boxy Beauty Bash. It says get a gift valued at over $40. Shop our annual holiday blowout sale now and score up to 80% off retail. Guys, I'm getting into trouble with these sales. I just dropped $130 on their last drop shop, if that's what it was called. I can't remember what it was called, but $130. So we're going to have a big haul coming up from Boxycharm. Their deals are so good. And with Christmas coming up, they make the perfect stocking stuffers. And honestly, guys, some of the things that I got were bigger, so not just stocking stuffers. Their deals are fantastic. Okay, sorry, enough advertising. I am just obsessed with Boxycharm. I'm having so much fun with it. Here's what the front of the card looks like there. And then on the other side, we do have descriptions and prices for the products. This is extremely tiny, so I'm going to put my glasses on so I can read the information to you. I apologize for the glare. I know it drives you guys crazy, but it's the only way I can read about the products for you. So let's go ahead and start with the first thing that we have on top. This is Original Roll-On Fragrance Oil, and it is by Riddle. Here's what the packaging looks like. And then that is what the other side looks like, which is why I said original. I guess I'm not quite sure what that is. And then it has a question mark on the top. So yeah, that's fitting. Let's read about it before we open it up, shall we? Riddle Oil Original Roll-On Oil. Made with the simple ingredients of amber and musk, the original roll-on oil smells clean and subtle. It says this is a new brand to Boxycharm, and the MSRP for this is $50. This oil naturally creates a signature scent that is unique to you. I love that kind of stuff. That is so popular right now. But honestly, I mean, any oil that you use, it's going to smell different because of your skin and your own oils. So, but yeah, the original scent is excellent for people who don't generally like fragrance or suffer from fragrance-related headaches. Rest assured, when you roll on your original fragrance, it's hypoallergenic, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free, and it has a freaking $50 MSRP, guys. Woo! This is going on right now. Even though I'm getting ready to go take a shower in a little bit, I guess I'll wear it twice. But I really want to smell it. Ooh, I like the packaging. It's a really cute, simple square bottle. And then it's got the roller ball on top. Let's go ahead and smell. Ooh, that does smell good. It smells very clean. I want more. I like that. It's kind of got a deep musky smell. I guess that would be the amber. But yeah, I am impressed. And it is clean and it is light. I can definitely see how this would be good for people that have issues with fragrance. So again, there's that $50 roll-on. $50. I would never be able to pay for that. But I'm really excited that I have it in the subscription box because I can afford $40 a month. All right, next, we've got something that's in a bubble wrap. This is the Better Skin Company Eye Bright Now Anti-Puff Anti-Dark Circle Serum. Look at that packaging. How cute is that? Adorable. And this is 30 milliliters, and it is called the Better Skin Company Eye Bright Now. It has a $30 MSRP, and this is also a new brand to Boxycharm. It says, wake up and fight dark circles and puffiness with the Eye Bright Now Serum. A single drop provides immediate hydration and helps with the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. Eye Bright Now assists in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, which, sweet. I like it. Okay, the next product that we have is by Nude Sticks. It is Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel. It's lemon, papain, apple, and pomegranate. And look how they spelled lemonade. It's lemon with AID, like in assistance. The 60 milliliters. It does have a safety seal on it for us, so that is good news. Let's read about this one. Nude Skin by Nude Sticks. Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel. It has an MSRP of $34. The Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel is a skin clarifying at-home chemical peel that detoxifies the pores of excess oil, dirt, and pollution while visibly rejuvenating skin tone and texture. Along with the renewal properties of apple and pomegranate extracts, the Skin Superhero is also formulated with vitamin C and lemon peel oil to brighten the skin for a radiant, youthful glow. Awesome. Can't wait to get my hands on that. I wonder how often. It says apply as a mask all over the face. Finger massage to peel for 2 minutes and then rinse off with water only. And then it says use up to 3 or 4 times a week. So it's not like a mask that you leave sitting on your skin. It's something that you rub in for 2 minutes and it exfoliates your skin. I've used stuff similar to this before and I really like it. It is quick and convenient. I like this type of stuff. So very happy to have that one. Next, we've got a product by Girlatic and it's called Rose Oil Petal Gloss. Here's that. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm so sorry about the glare. It is so hard to show these shiny boxes because it just bounces the light right back at you. So I apologize. Let's go ahead and take a peek at this. It's very light. Ooh, it's very pretty. Oh my gosh. There, look. It's got like rose petals in it or something. How pretty is that? And then the lid is right here. And I don't want to open that quite yet because I have tons of lip gloss that I'm already using. So that's fancy though. I really want to smell that. I love rose. So let's see here. Girlatic Rose Oil Petal Gloss has an MSRP of $20. Fall in love with this long-wearing lip gloss that is infused with natural dried rose petals, I told ya, and a blend of argan oil, raspberry seed oil, vitamin E, and jojoba oil. This gloss isn't sticky, and it is the perfect go-to formula for a glossy finish. The formula is enriched with moisture-boosting protective ingredients to nourish and repair your lips. Nice. I think we have 2 more things here. This is by Rodial. I have never had anything by them before, but I see them all the time. And these are liquid blush drops. Wowza. They're in the color Frosted Pink. I don't really know how to hold that so you guys can see it. It says Frosted Pink right here, and then Rodial. This is a big bottle for blush. I wonder how much you have to use for each cheek. Seems like this would last a lifetime. Come on. Oh, how cool. Look at that. And yeah, I'm going to open it because I'm intrigued. It's a little dropper. You guys see that? And I'm going to put some on my hand right here just to see what it looks like. I have a feeling a little bit is going to go a long way there. Ooh, that's pretty. You see it? Right there. It's a very light color. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I like that. Let me wipe it off though, because I'm going to end up getting it all over everything else that I touch. Chaos Jen makes messes. Okay, Rhodial Blush Drops. $50 MSRP. Oh my gosh, guys. Enhance the skin's luminosity by adding a healthy flush of color to the complexion, which, yes, it was just more of a nice pink highlight. Looking at the bottle, I would not have thought that it would end up that natural looking, but it sure did. This must mean natural looking. I don't even know why I did that. I got cheeks on my mind. The concentrated drops provide a buildable, illuminating pop of color to the cheeks. And the fact that it's buildable is good for me because I always end up either looking like somebody beat me with a broom or no blush at all. I can't find the happy medium. So maybe with this, I'll be able to finally do that. And then the last product that we got is by Persona. This is Identity 2 eyeshadow palette. And that's what that looks like. I have not seen anybody open this box yet, so I really have no clue what we're going to be looking at here. I love eyeshadow palettes though. Here's the inside. It's just a nice plastic container. It does have a full-size mirror right here. I'm going to cover that up with the box, and then we're going to take a look at this palette, friends. This is gorgeous. Look at this. Oh, sorry. Look at this. Look at, I mean, we've got some mattes and some shimmers in there. We've got a few mattes up here, and then we've got a couple here, and then one right here. But guys, look at those. Look at them. I have a glitter, not glitter, but shimmer rainbow look that I want to do. Guys, those would be perfect for that. Oh my goodness. I'm always fascinated by the stuff that I get in this box. Gorgeous. Honesty, kind, loyal, independent, confident, driven, unique, passionate, empowered, resilient, brave, and limitless. Those are the names of the colors. And yes, I will definitely be empowered by those colors. That is a beautiful, beautiful palette. So I'm very excited to see how much this one was worth. Let's take a peek. Persona Cosmetics Identity 2 Eyeshadow Palette. $42 value. Whew. Ready for a bolder persona? The Identity 2 palette provides the same buttery buildable formula as the original Identity palette with more stunning shimmers and epic color payoff. Whatever persona you want to create, the Identity 2 is versatile enough for everyday looks, date night drama, and everything in between. That is awesome. All right, guys, let's go ahead and run through what we got really quick, and then we will go ahead and close out this video. We started out with this Riddle Oil Original Roll-On. And there's what that looks like. It still smells really good. Light and fresh. Light and fresh. Then we've got this, The Better Skin Company, Eye Bright Now, Anti-Puff and Anti-Dark Circle Serum. I love the packaging on that. Let's see if I can get it without a glare. There you go. We've got these Rhodial Blush Drops, which I think I'm definitely going to be wearing these today, as soon as I get up and around and put on some makeup. I was so excited to open this box. I just kind of brushed my hair and put on a necklace and a sweatshirt, so sorry I'm not looking the fanciest, but I was so excited when this showed up on my doorstep. Then we've got this Micro Peel by Nude Skin. We've got this Rose Petal Infused Lip Gloss. And this is by Girl Tactic. I really want to open this, but I just got one in another subscription box that I didn't mean to open right away, but I was messing with it and it came open, so I've got to use that up before I can even start on this, but I can't wait to give it a try. Then we've got this awesome Persona Identity 2 eyeshadow palette, which had those gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous eyeshadow colors in it. Let me show you one more time, just so you can take a peek. There those are. Those are beautiful. This is a bright yellow. Why couldn't I have that bright yellow last month so I could have used it for my candy corn eyeshadow look? All right, guys. Well, that is everything that I got in my November 2021 Boxycharm box. Let me know what you guys thought down in the comments below. I am very impressed and super excited to have gotten everything that I did. If you guys haven't already, if you do the whole thumbs up thing, I would truly appreciate it. Please consider joining my YouTube family by hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.